Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're excited to show you guys what we just got in the mail. It is our Bobcat 300 miner. We're going to be using this to mine helium. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to set it up with the app. It is very easy, very quick, and also how to troubleshoot some of the issues that we personally ran into. So for the shipping time, we ordered this back in May. We just got it late October, early November. So if you guys are planning on mining helium and planning on getting a Bobcat miner, for example, I would order it now. I know on the website it says 4 to 6 weeks. That is inaccurate. They're very backed up on orders. They have high demand right now, so the sooner you order, the sooner you get it, and the sooner you start mining helium. So just make sure you get on that as soon as possible. So this right here is the packaging it came in. It was delivered by DHL. So let's cut it open. We've waited, I believe, 4 months for this. This is the Bobcat 300. It's supposed to be a really small size actually. So there's nothing else in the box. This is the actual Bobcat miner. Very simple packaging. So it comes with a quick starter guide, quick troubleshooting guide, and I guess instructions are on the box as well. This is the actual miner, a warranty card. The miner itself. Looks like an AC power adapter. A few mounting screws. The mounting stands, I believe, for the antenna. The antenna itself. And I guess like a little pin tool to open the back, or to start, I believe, reset the miner. So over here we have the actual miner. It is a Bobcat miner. You can see the LED indicator. The bottom part of it has a mounting bracket. Very simple to use. Pretty much just take this part off, screw it onto a wall or wherever you want, and then it hangs on there. Over here we have the antenna, where you plug the antenna in. We have the BT button, which is a Bluetooth button that you're gonna press with the included tool. And then following next, we have the COM and TF port. These you're not gonna use at all. You have the Ethernet port for you to use the Ethernet cable, or you can use this with Wi-Fi. And then you have the DC 12-volt connector. And that's pretty much the miner. It's very small. If you guys want to see a size comparison, I have a G903 Logitech mouse right here. It's almost about the same length of it. You can put this miner almost anywhere you want, as long as you have good reception. So setting up the miner is actually fairly easy. You're gonna go to the back, remove the plastic covering for the antenna. You're gonna do the same thing over here. And over here. Pretty much you're gonna just screw this in. It is a little tight, but you guys can manage to do it. Okay, that looks good. Then this end, we're just gonna plug this in. And now we'll plug in the power cable. And the Ethernet cable as well, but for now we're gonna do it without Ethernet. And that's pretty much it. So the first step is to download the Helium Hotspot app. You can find it in the iOS App Store and on the Android Play Store. So once you've downloaded the app, you're going to open it. You're going to click create an account. And then here the app is going to generate 12 random words that you need to save somewhere safe, either on your computer or on a Google file drive. That way you don't lose them. These 12 words are used to sign in or to recover your account. Once you finish that process, it's going to ask you to set up a PIN. Make sure you don't forget it. Once you get to this step, you're going to click Hotspots, Add Hotspot, Bobcat Miner, that's the one that we have. And you're going to read through these tips and tricks, I guess, on how to set it up. You're going to give it a nice view where it's exposed through a window. Don't hide it in like a cubby or anything like that. That's not good for it. And it also tells you that if you live in an area where there's a lot of buildings, just be aware that the coverage may drop. And finally, make sure you remove the bug screen from your window, because apparently that affects the hotspot's reception. Now you're going to go ahead and power up the miner by plugging it in. Now we're going to pair the miner using the Bluetooth connection. We're going to go to the back of it, press that BT button until the light turns from yellow to blue. Now we're going to go back into the app, click scan for my hotspot. It's going to scan for your Bobcat miner. Once you see it in the menu, you're going to select it. And after you selected it, it should pair with it. Now you may or may not get this error once you're pairing your device. If you do get this error, I'm going to be linking a video on how to fix that on the top right of this video. If you didn't get the error, continue on to the next step. So now you're going to click scan networks if you're going to use Wi-Fi. If not, you can go to the bottom and use Ethernet instead if you have your miner plugged in directly with an Ethernet cable. Then after that, it's going to say connecting to network, and then it's going to ask for your permission to set the location. You're going to click ask for permissions, you're going to accept it, and then you're going to set your location manually. You're going to take the white pin and match it to the blue one. Then you're going to click set location. Now we're going to set the height of our miner, how far it is from the ground, and then you're going to click next. Now since this is the first time setting up this hotspot, we don't have to pay the location fee, so we're going to click register hotspot. And that's pretty much it for setting it up with the app. You can go to wallet from here. So that is how you set up your Bobcat 300 into the Helium Hotspot app. If you go onto the app, you click on that hotspot you've added, the status is going to say syncing. That is perfectly normal. It took 2 days for it to sync for us. It needs to sync up with the network and catch up with the rest of the miners. I did run into 2 issues. The issue that I showed you guys on the video that said that the hotspot wasn't registered to the server. I created a video on how to fix that. I did link that in the description below. And there was another issue that after 2 days it said that the status was relayed. I'm also adding a video in my description on how to fix that. They're not hard to fix. They do take a little bit of time and a little bit of research, because it all depends on what type of modem you have, what type of router you have as well, because you have to open up one port on there. Again, all of that is going to be on the video, so make sure you guys check it out. And as always, guys, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. If you guys would like to support the channel, make sure you like the video, you share the video, and you subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks again for watching.